Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to manually reset your WordPress website without using any plugins. Let's begin. First, open the official website, click on the login button, and choose Continue with Google. Select the account link to your website. From your dashboard, go to this section over here, Edit Site, click on it so you can open the page editor. From there, go and locate the right panel settings over here, and click on it to reveal additional options. What you need to look out for is the blog home section, this one. Click on the three dots or actions over here so you can select more options. Now we have our one and only option over this, which is reset. Now be careful because this will automatically reset your site and it will return to a fresh, clean state. So take note of that, like you're like starting from scratch. So once you hit that, make sure to hit save and you're done. You have successfully reset your WordPress site manually. Now you can start fresh and rebuild your content. I hope you found this video very helpful.